Ampalaya Con Carne is the title of our VirginBeachCebu vlog number 55. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're here in California but dreaming of being at the resort. We have an a la carte menu in our restaurant, and Ampalaya Con Carne is one of the vegetable entrees, and it's only 150 pesos. We'll show you how we make this in our video. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Hello guys, today we're gonna cook Ampalaya Con Carne, one of the recipe of our Virgin Beach a la carte menu. And here are the ingredients: ampalaya, quarts of meat, sliced onion, and minced garlic. Just put oil on a pan. Add the garlic, then the onion, the meat, to the tomato top, finally the ampalaya. Ampalaya Con Carne, we are now preparing for the taste. It is our finished product of Ampalaya Con Carne, ready for serve.